Becoming a woman is a special time in a girl's life. It's a journey filled with new experiences and changes that can be both exciting and a little bit daunting. Your body starts to change in so many ways. You might notice that you're growing taller, your hips are getting wider, and you may start to develop breasts. One of the biggest changes is getting your period. This is a major milestone in your journey to womanhood. Don't worry, it's a completely natural and healthy part of growing up. It's something that every girl goes through, and it's a sign that your body is working just as it should. It means your body is getting ready to have a baby someday, even if that feels like a million years away. This is just one of the many amazing things your body can do. Your period, which you might also hear called menstruation, is when blood comes out of your vagina. This happens because your body is shedding the lining of your uterus. It usually lasts for a few days, maybe 3 to 8. During this time, you might feel some discomfort or cramps, but that's completely normal. You'll probably start your period sometime between the ages of 10 and 15. This is just an average range, and it's perfectly okay if you start a little earlier or later. But every girl is different. Your body has its own unique timeline, and that's something to be celebrated. Some girls start a little earlier and some start a little later. There's no right or wrong time to begin. There's no need to be scared or embarrassed about getting your period. It's a natural part of life and a sign that you're growing up. It happens to every girl. You're not alone, and there are plenty of people who can support you. It's a sign that you're becoming a woman. Embrace this change and know that it's a part of what makes you special. If you have questions or feel nervous, talk to your mom, older sister, a teacher, or another grown-up you trust. They can offer advice, share their own experiences, and help you feel more comfortable. Have you ever heard of hormones? These tiny chemical messengers play a crucial role in our bodies, orchestrating a symphony of functions that keep us alive and well. They're like tiny chemical messengers that travel in your bloodstream, delivering important instructions to various parts of your body. They tell different parts of your body what to do, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Well, hormones are in charge of your period. They regulate the menstrual cycle, making sure everything happens at the right time. Two important hormones are estrogen and progesterone. These hormones work together to prepare your body for a potential pregnancy. Estrogen helps the lining of your uterus, that's where a baby would grow, to get thick and comfy, just in case an egg gets fertilized. It's like preparing a cozy bed for a guest. Progesterone helps to keep that lining nice and thick, maintaining the perfect environment for a potential pregnancy. Your brain is also involved in this monthly cycle. It plays a key role in regulating the release of these hormones. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland are like the conductors of an orchestra. They send out signals to your ovaries, coordinating the entire process. They send out signals to your ovaries, telling them when to release an egg. This intricate dance of hormones ensures that your body is always in sync. Each month, your ovaries take turns releasing an egg. This process is a natural part of your menstrual cycle and is essential for reproduction. It's like a tiny little dance they do. This is called ovulation. During ovulation, the egg is released from the ovary and begins its journey. The egg travels down a fallopian tube, which is like a little tunnel that leads to your uterus. This journey is crucial for potential fertilization. If a sperm cell meets the egg along the way and fertilizes it, you could get pregnant. This is the beginning of a new life, but if the egg doesn't meet a sperm, it doesn't get fertilized. The unfertilized egg will eventually disintegrate. Then the lining of your uterus isn't needed anymore. This lining was prepared to support a potential pregnancy, so your body sheds the lining of your uterus. This is your period. It's a natural and healthy part of your cycle. The blood and tissue come out through your vagina. This process usually lasts a few days. It might seem like a lot of blood, but it's really not that much. Your body is simply renewing itself for the next cycle. It's normal to have some cramps or feel a little achy right before or during your period. Some girls also feel bloated, have sore breasts, or get headaches. You might even feel a bit moodier than usual. Don't worry, these feelings usually don't last very long. A heating pad can help with cramps, and exercising can actually make you feel better. Make sure you drink plenty of water and eat healthy foods. Getting your period is a natural and amazing part of being a girl. Your body is going through something incredible. It's all part of growing up and becoming a woman.